What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. Again, I am Beersie, and today I will be bringing you the Viper 4 Blackout Edition RAM kit by Viper Gaming. If you guys are big fans of the all black everything aesthetic like I am, you're gonna love this kit. They are very simple yet elegant and beautiful, and you can tell that they are made for both performance and style, and Viper did not miss the mark on this one. While the base frequency is 2133 megahertz, these are set for 30 to 100 megahertz tested to be working there. It looks like they're also featuring XMP 2.0, and it says that they're designed for the latest Intel and AMD platforms, so that is a plus. Made with a newly designed custom aluminum heat spreader here, you guys are guaranteed to be running at the coolest possible temperatures. No matter the application you guys are going for, you're going to be blazing through your workflow with ease. As I stated before, Intel and AMD users can both rejoice in the fact that this kit is going to be compatible with each system. It is tested across the top motherboards for each to guarantee top performance across the board. Not to mention, this particular kit is going to be Ryzen 3000 compatible right out of the gate. If you guys are in fact looking to pick up the Blackout Series kit by Viper, looks like the 16 gig kit is going to cost you about $62, while the 32 gig kit is going to run you guys about $125, while the 64 gig kit is going to run you guys about $240. Each module is hand tested and, as always, is backed by Patriot's limited lifetime warranty.